the echoing wisdom of Alan Watts, there lies a potent reminder, stark yet liberating. We're all going to die. A truth so inevitable, yet often brushed aside. In this revelation, there lies not a narrative of doom, but an invitation. An invitation to embrace the ephemeral dance of existence, untethered by the shackles of fear, judgment, and the ceaseless chase of tomorrow. Alan Watts, with the backdrop of a serene yet enigmatic smile, whispers the unuttered truth. Death is not an end, but a transformation. A transition from form to formlessness, echoing the eternal dance of energy. Yet, in the hustle of life, amidst the noise of expectations and the clamour of societal norms, this profound realization often lies buried, obscured by the illusions of permanence. We toil, we strive, we seek, often in pursuit of legacies, etching our existence into the annals of time, forgetting the impermanent dance of life. But what if, in the stark, unyielding truth of our mortality, we find the most potent liberation? You're all going to die, Watts proclaims, not with somberness, but with a radiant, effervescent energy. It's not a prophecy of doom, but an anthem of liberation. There's a peculiar freedom in acknowledging our ephemeral existence. The past with its regrets and glories fades into the echoes of non-existence. The future, with its anxieties and aspirations, is a mirage dancing on the horizons of tomorrow. All that is real, all that pulsates with life, is this moment, the now. In the now, we are neither the prisoners of our past, nor the architects of our future. We are the silent witnesses, the vibrant participants of a dance that is as eternal as it is ephemeral. In the heart of this realization, the fears dissipate. What is there to fear when the past is a shadow and the future a figment of the imaginative dance of consciousness? Every breath, every pulse, every heartbeat is a testament to the vibrant dance of the now. The opinions, the judgments, the validations that often cage our existence lose their grip. For who are we seeking to impress? To validate our existence, in a dance where every dancer is as ephemeral as the dance itself. We are celestial beings, not confined by the temporal boundaries of birth and death, but eternal participants in the cosmic dance of energy. Every smile, every tear, every joy and sorrow is a note in the symphony of existence. A symphony that is neither marred by the dissonance of death, nor defined by the harmonious notes of life. As we embrace this liberating truth, the veils of illusion lift. We no longer live to die, we die to live. Every moment becomes an expression of the eternal dance of life and death, form and formlessness, silence and sound. You're all going to die echoes in our consciousness, not as a grim reminder, but as a liberating anthem. In this anthem, we find the freedom to live, to dance, to express, unbridled by the fears of tomorrow, unhinged by the regrets of yesterday, and untethered by the judgments of today. In the eloquent silence of Alan Watts, we find an invitation to live as if we were to die tomorrow, and to dance as if the dance were eternal. For in the heart of mortality, we discover the echoes of eternity, a dance where death is not an end, but a beginning, not a conclusion, but an introduction, not a silence, but a song.